Looking for a smarter way to trade? Today, we're breaking down a powerful strategy that combines price action, volume, and trend confirmation, straight from the Alpha Stock AI website. In this video, you'll learn how to use the OBV indicator, or on-balance volume, together with moving averages to detect high-probability trade setups. We'll walk you through how to apply this strategy to Applovin stock at Alpha Stock AI website and incorporate the latest company news to see how technical signals align with market sentiment. With Alpha Stock AI, you can power up your trades by exploring over 100 strategies built on technical indicators and financial growth metrics. Customize any strategy to match your unique trading style and let AI generate in-depth analysis instantly. Want stronger signals? Combine multiple strategies for confirmation and boost your confidence before making a move. Another Alpha Stock AI's powerful feature is that you can apply the same strategy across peer stocks to compare performance and spot the best opportunities by just a few clicks. On-balance volume is one of the most effective yet underused tools in a trader's arsenal. It adds volume on up days and subtracts it on down days, giving you a running total that shows real buying and selling pressure, something price alone often hides. At Alpha Stock AI, we refine this approach by combining OBV with the 20-day and 50-day moving averages and candlestick patterns. This gives you a clear view of both price direction and volume strength, making your entries and exits much more precise. Now let's talk about how this works in practice. A bullish signal forms when the 20-day moving average line trends upward above the 50-day moving average and OBV is also rising. This means buyers are in control. If OBV breaks above its own moving average, or we see a bullish divergence, where price makes lower lows but OBV makes higher lows, it often signals hidden accumulation and a potential upward reversal. Conversely, a bearish signal appears when the 20-day moving average is falling below the 50-day moving average and OBV is declining. If OBV crosses below its average, or we see bearish divergence, higher price highs but lower OBV highs, it indicates distribution and possible selling pressure building up. Candlestick patterns add even more confidence. A bullish engulfing candle with rising OBV, that's a strong entry signal. A shooting star with falling OBV, time to tighten stops or consider a short. Let's look at Applovin stock using Alpha Stock AI generated technical analysis as of March 27, 2025. The 20-day moving average is currently at $299.80 and trending downward, sitting below the 50-day moving average at $350.50. This is a bearish alignment, suggesting short-term weakness. We also just saw a bearish, long line candle, which reinforces that outlook. But here's where it gets interesting. OBV is rising. It climbed from 294 on March 18th to 321.9 on March 27th. Even though the price has dropped, OBV is making higher lows, showing a classic bullish divergence. That's a sign smart money may be accumulating, even while the price appears weak. And the long-term picture? The current price of $308.24 is well above the 200-day moving average of $245, meaning the macro trend is still bullish. Let's connect this to the latest news around Applovin. In February 2025, Applovin announced the sale of its mobile gaming division for $900 million, signaling a strategic shift toward its high-growth advertising technology segment. This divestiture helps the company streamline focus and unlock more value from its core business, which could be why OBV is climbing. Investors may be positioning for future gains. Despite recent volatility, analysts from firms like Bank of America are staying bullish on Applovin, telling investors to ignore the noise. Support levels around $277.50 have held so far, while resistance sits near $352. Watching OBV in this range can help confirm future breakouts or breakdowns. So, what does this mean for traders? Short term, we have conflicting signals: bearish price structure, but bullish volume divergence. That calls for patience. Wait for price to reclaim higher levels or OBV to break above prior highs for confirmation before entering. Long term, the trend remains bullish. OBV is rising, the price is above the 200-day moving average, and the company is executing strategic moves to unlock growth. For long-term investors, this could be a good time to accumulate on dips, especially if support holds and volume remains strong. OBV is more than just a line on a chart. It tells the real story of buying and selling pressure. When combined with moving averages and candlestick patterns, it becomes a complete strategy. And when aligned with fundamental news like Applovin's recent moves, it offers a well-rounded view for smarter trading. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next trade setup. Drop a comment below if you want us to analyze your favorite stock using Alpha Stock AI strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.